No one is broke because they earn too little. They're broke because they spend trying to live a life they haven't earned yet. You're not saving too little because of inflation or your boss. You're saving too little because your spending is based on image, not intention. Let's be honest, you're not living your dream life. You're living a lifestyle sold to you by Instagram, YouTube, and your own insecurity. That car, you financed it. Your designer outfit, you bought it for the photo. The expensive dinners that you've been to, you're still paying it off next month. At the end of this, you're probably only saving a few hundreds of pounds. The truth is that you're not financially stuck. You're just pretending to be someone else, and that's costing you your future. Now let's talk about why you're spending, your current spending, why that feels normal. You probably think you're doing what everyone else is doing, because you are. Most people spend more money than they earn and call it normal. For example, your friends upgrade their phones every year and you do too. They're moving to a nicer flat with no emergency fund and you do the same thing too. So what you're doing is spending to keep up and not to move forward. On the other hand, the people that actually build wealth, they spend less than you think and then they save more money than you assume. Let me explain the cost of saving too little. Let's break it down. No saving means no options. No emergency fund means one broken boiler can push you into debt. No investment means you've been working into your 70s and not by choice. So you'll be working hard just to keep up, but your money quietly disappears into a lifestyle that looks rich but feels empty. And one day when life hits, and it will hit, you would have wished that you had traded a few nights out for financial peace. Now here's what I want you to do to fix it and spend on the right life. I want you to redefine success. It's not about stuff, it is about freedom. Track your real spending. Find out where your money is leaking. I want you to save before you spend, not the other way around. Build an emergency fund at least 3 to 6 months. Then I want you to automate your savings so your future self gets paid first. The goal is for you to buy your freedom, and that's life worth saving for. You're not behind because you don't earn enough. You're behind because you're spending money on life that's not even yours. So stop chasing the image and start building the life that you actually want and save like it matters. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.